Okay, so this is a DIY project for a Volvo motor, an MD6B. Exhaust pipe rotted to hell, so just using sections from galvanized plumbing, I reconstructed something that comes pretty close to what it should be, and actually works quite well. I just tested it and it all works perfectly fine. So you can see there's a nipple there, both an outside, a coupling. The coupling I need to grind off some of the outside edge so it could fit the 1.5 diameter hose. And then there's a nipple, there's a T with a cone, conversion to 3/4, 3/4 to 5/8 bronze fitting, and then there's another nipple there, a 45-degree, and a longer nipple there for 1.25. All this is on 1.25 side, 1.25 inch galvanized plumbing. So there you go. Hope somebody can hope this is useful to someone.